Today's journey takes us to the beautiful Miami, Florida, exploring the AC Hotel in Wynwood. Coming up, we'll go over the rooftop vibes, the beautiful city views, and those beautiful nighttime views as well. So stay tuned. Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your girl Truth, and I'm back again with another video. But look, today we're in front of the AC Hotel Miami. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking you guys on a hotel tour off of Biscayne Boulevard. Alright, so you got all of this whole strip, man. If you've ever been to Miami and you've been on Biscayne Boulevard, then you know like Biscayne is one of the main areas. It's a lot of things to do. It's a great area to be in. But yeah, we're about to check out the AC Hotel, so let's go. Alright, so let's get into it. As you make your way through these double doors in the front lobby entrance, you're immediately greeted with this beautiful artwork, which sets the tone for what Wynwood stands for. You're gonna notice there's art everywhere on the buildings. It's amazing, like it's so beautiful. Over here we have a very nice and convenient mini shop. You can get your refreshments, ice cream, snacks, candy, you name it. Definitely comes in clutch if you need it in the middle of the night. If you need it, you feel a little parched, you know what I mean? Your sugar's low or something. It's definitely the move. Now as we make our way over here, we got some seating areas, very comfy for you to wait for your family, friends, whatever, your Uber. We also have the bar and breakfast area. Some really nice seating options. I love the way that they color coordinated this. I love the aesthetics and I love the interior design. Really sets the tone for the AC Hotel feel. You don't know, they really go based off of kind of like a very modern, minimalistic feel as well. Like they don't do too much with the colors. They keep everything clean. They keep everything classy. So really love that about the AC. Also, I love what they did with the front desk. Nice granite, very sleek, very nice. Over here we have two main elevators for this hotel. You also have a nice little business area for you to do your work. Some MacBook computers that'll come clutch if you need it. Now as we go through these double doors, this is the main area where you will pull around to go and check in, get your bags out so you can go get settled. As you can see, right now I'm about to cross the street and give you guys a better view of what's going on for real. So over here, the main road that the hotel sits on is off of Biscayne Boulevard. Now Biscayne is a really long road in Miami. It's a lot going on Biscayne. I feel like every time I come to Miami, I'm on Biscayne. As you see where this gray car just came out of, that's where you would drive in. I'm actually gonna do a little walkthrough so you guys can see what's really going on with the hotel, because oftentimes people show you the hotel, but they'll never show you like where you really at for real, and that's important. So again, this is where you would drive your car around and come check in, get your road keys, take your bags out, roll them upstairs through the elevator and get all settled. But I really just want to show y'all a very quick walk around of the hotel before we head back into the interior, just so y'all can get a better feel. They have some bikes over here, nice little bike rack. Again, the artwork on the wall, that's the attention to the detail, man. And they were really able to set the tone and the vibe throughout the entire hotel. So yeah, right behind me, that's the AC Hotel. That's the Hampton Inn and Suites. And this is the garage that both of the hotels share. I think that's really convenient. It's super close. They do charge you a fee every day. I forgot what the fee was, but it's not that much. There's the entrance to the Hampton Inn and Suites. And as we walk our way up the sidewalk, we have this beautiful Hellcat here on display, man. Big boy, big wide body. There's another entrance to different stores over here. How beautiful it is, man. For food options, you have Polo Tropical right across the street. All right, y'all, again, so food options, I got Denny's right here across the street. You got Taco Bell, McDonald's, Polo Tropical, and then some gas stations. But if you don't like that, then you could always Uber Eats and stuff, but you ain't gonna starve because you can really just get out of the hotel, walk, come across the street. Like I said, this is Biscayne Boulevard right here. You got the palm trees and everything. So yeah, man, it's a nice little vibe. You can get out and walk a little bit. Nighttime, a little bit better. During nighttime, you'll see more people walking up and down the strip. But you got this other buildings over here and stuff like that. So you're good. The hotel is like really right down there. Chase Bank. So you bank with Chase to get out and get them big cash deposits or withdrawals. But yeah, nice little area, man. A lot of people around here, stuff like that. But yeah, y'all look at this Lambo. Oh my gosh, nice, man. That's clean right there. Yeah, you're gonna see that all over Miami. But it's a beautiful day, man. The weather is great. Great day to go jet skiing. But I just wanted to get out here and show y'all because oftentimes people do these hotel tours and whatever, but you have no idea like where the hotel is, what kind of food's around the hotel. So this gives you a better feel for the environment that's around it and stuff like that. So yeah, man. You can get a better closer view. Polo Tropical is right across the street. And right here we have some seating areas in the front of the hotel. But ultimately this is the front entrance of the hotel. Alright, y'all. Beautiful hotel. Let's head up to the rooftop part so I can show you guys. Alright, y'all, so currently on the rooftop of the AC Marriott Hotel in the Wynwood district, and oh my god, the weather is perfect, the views are perfect, the scenery is perfect, and Marriott's attention to detail in this hotel is perfect because they really snap with these colors, man. From these pink pastel colors on the chairs to the murals on the wall, the yellows, greens, blues, like they really went crazy. Like I could already see the photo op Instagram pictures going crazy. Like it's a vibe. It's a vibe. You get amazing views of the city, and this is just during the daytime. Like you could go out there with your laptop, do work. I actually did a little bit of editing over there on the little bed. They got so many options, seating options for you to choose from. It's just nice, man. It's a nice vibe. I can't name a better combination than Florida sun and this rooftop. Like AC by Marriott did y'all thing in the Wynwood district. Yeah, definitely captured that essence. Like I said, they really did what they needed to do, and they carried the theme, colorful pop art throughout this entire hotel, and that's more my style. So I was really in love with this entire thing. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk y'all head off. I'm gonna give y'all the time to really take in this beauty and admire the attention to detail. So take it all in, man, and enjoy these wonderful clips that I got for y'all. Alright, now we're about to make our way to the gym. For all you gym junkies and health conscious people who work out on vacation, I aspire to be like y'all. The gym is open 24 hours, so you could always get that workout in whenever you need it. Now they have a pretty decent selection in here. Nice ice and water machine, you know, with the cups and everything that you need when you need a little refreshment. Got a TV on the wall. But what really got my attention was these 2 Peloton bikes. Like, I think it sets the tone and it speaks volumes when hotels have the Peloton bikes, because I mean, you could really sit there and cycle and have the best view of the city. Like, that's really nice, man. They got the light fitness machines, ellipticals, 3 treadmills, and they also have another light fitness machine over here. I forgot what this is called, but I just know you can do everything on there. Get your triceps, your biceps, shoulders. Like, you could do a lot with that right there. And they have the different attachments too. They got a bench. They got weights, free weights. So the free weights do go up to 75 pounds. I feel like that's vital information. If you know, 75 pounds is a decent weight. So you could do a lot in this gym. Really get a nice little workout in, while you on vacation or whatever, or maybe on a business trip. And then they also have the those balls right there. Yeah, man. So you get a nice little selection of things to do. Not too much, but I feel like it's just enough that you would need. Alright, so as you make your way outside the gym, you go straight across the hall. You're gonna have water fountains and restrooms as well. And that'll also lead out to the pool area. But yeah, men and women's restroom right there, the same place. But let's make our way around this corner right here. And I'm gonna show you guys the laundry room. So boom, as you come in, they do have, some washers and dryers in here. One of those was out of order, I was like, whoa, out of order. But yeah, man, you do get a nice view of the city out there as well. Like, they give you the good views everywhere in the hotel. Like, you get the views in the gym and you get the views in the laundry room. You can't beat that, man. That's quality. Alright, so as you pass the laundry room, you come over to another terrace open space with more seating and more views of the city. I was like, dang, AC, Marriott, you're doing your thing, yo. Not only do we get the other side of the hotel, but we get this too, with exceptional attention to detail as well. Murals on the wall and beautiful, beautiful city vibes. Alright, y'all, so wrapping up the day, but I really just wanted to show y'all this view of the rooftop of this AC hotel, man, at night, because the view is a nice, the buildings behind me, the seating areas, the other stuff on the other side, the pool. So yeah, just take a look at this footage and tell me what you guys think in the comments if you would stay here. But it's a beautiful hotel. Honestly, I feel like hotels like this in Miami, they do well when they have rooftops. Not all of them have rooftops though, but they do very well when they have rooftops because you get a different perspective of the city. You get different views that you wouldn't really get just out your window or whatever, you know what I'm saying, in your hotel room. This is nice. You could come out here and chill. They have the artwork everywhere, the pool on the other side. So it's really nice. You get a different perspective and a different view of the city. With that being said, man, I'm just gonna end this video off by showing y'all some really nice nighttime clips and views from the AC Hotel in Wynwood. Alright, it's your girl Truth, and you've just watched the Truth Travels original. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you gained some valuable insight, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.